Hello everyone, so this is my first video on the .NET platform tutorial. So .NET is developed by Microsoft and it's a free cross-platform open source development framework for developing applications. Basically you can build web app, mobile app, desktop app, microservices, gaming and basically everything. So we're gonna start with the very basic of all things on .NET. We're gonna look at C Sharp first. So when we want to develop a C Sharp application, we need an IDE, which is the Integrated Development Environment, or like a code editor for C Sharp platform. So you can download Visual Studio Community for free, which you can go to visualstudio.microsoft.com/vs. Click here under the Download Visual Studio button, Visual Studio Community 2019, which is the latest one, and try to open this, run. So this will open up the Visual Studio installer, and what you need is just to select the .NET Desktop Development here, and just click install here, which it shows modify here because I have already installed some other things before this. So when you click install, you're going to need to wait some time to install it and then open up Visual Studio. So I've opened up Visual Studio and these are the list of my previous projects, some of them. And you're going to click this button here to create a new project and you're going to search console for console app with C Sharp as the language because that's what we're going for. And then click next. You're going to type the project name, which I'm going to give .NET tutorial and click create here. And this will create your project. Alright, here we have it. So we're not going to explain all the syntax yet, but as you can see, if you have this using system, namespace, and your project name, a class of program, and a function called main. And under that function, you can see here console.writeLine hello world. Basically, what this is doing is just it's going to output hello world to the console. So you're gonna click this button to run the app and it will pop out the console with hello world. So there it is. Hello world with an exclamation mark output inside the console here. So whenever you create a new app like this name .NET Tutorial, it will create under this folder here by default users, your username, source, and repos. So under this repos folder, you can see here .NET Tutorial, and you have all the files and folders which we have here. Solution is a .sln, and there's a program.cs, csproj, which is this, and some other dependencies and bin. Like if you compile this whole code, it will compile as an exe file. And if you run this, it will run your application, but it will stop right afterwards. This is because it will just run through this and then stop because there's no function to basically stop the console from exit. What we're going to do here is we're going to put console.readLine with parentheses and a semicolon, and then save, run this again, click enter, and then open up the folder. So if you open this, it will stay there. So it will show hello world, and nothing else here because this is the build file. We close this, save this again. So this whole line here, which I'm highlighting, is called a string. A string is composed of multiple characters, and it must be inside the double quote here. So including the space and the exclamation mark. So, and it could be empty string as well inside C sharp. We're going to look at that later on. So what this function here does is take all the string here and put it in the console. You don't have to understand the function and class for now. And if you copy this line and paste it, and let's say my name is Anas here, and let's save it and run this program. We're going to see two lines here. So first is hello world, and my name is Anas. And you can also change up here like hello Tom and save it and run it again. So it will output hello Tom and my name is Anas. So that's it for today. We'll continue this video on. I'm gonna make a series of this whole .NET tutorial. We're starting with basic C Sharp about the class, functions, data structures, and we're gonna go deep into more advanced topics such as inheritance, polymorphism, and stuff like that. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.